Hello nature lovers, welcome back to Garden Whispers YouTube channel. Today we will enjoy the beautiful Rangoon Creeper flowers and learn how to grow and care for it. Rangoon Creeper, Combretum indicum, is a member of the Combretaceae family, which also includes plants such as mangrove trees and firebush shrubs. It is a fast-growing, evergreen vine that can reach heights of up to 30 feet. Rangoon Creeper is native to Southeast Asia, but it is now cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Growing habit. Rangoon Creeper is a vigorous climber that can quickly cover fences, trellises, and other structures. It has twining stems that allow it to attach itself to supports. The leaves of the Rangoon Creeper are oval-shaped and glossy green. The flowers are tubular and fragrant, and they change color from white to pink to red as they mature. Rangoon Creeper blooms throughout the year, but the heaviest flowering occurs in the spring and summer months. Care guide. Rangoon Creeper is a relatively easy plant to care for. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. The plant should be watered regularly, especially during hot weather. Rangoon Creeper is a heavy feeder, so it is important to fertilize it regularly with a balanced fertilizer. Here are some specific tips for caring for Rangoon Creeper. Planting. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Plant the Rangoon Creeper in a deep hole so that the roots are well covered. Watering. Water the Rangoon Creeper regularly, especially during hot weather. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Fertilizing. Fertilize the Rangoon Creeper every 2 weeks during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Reduce fertilization to once a month during the winter months. Pruning. Prune the Rangoon Creeper regularly to control its size and shape. Prune the vine back to a few inches above the ground in the early spring to encourage new growth. Pests and diseases. Rangoon Creeper is relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, it is important to inspect the plant regularly for signs of pests or diseases. If you find any pests or diseases, treat them immediately. Tips for growing Rangoon Creeper in pots. Rangoon Creeper can be grown in pots, but it is important to choose a large pot with good drainage. The pot should also be placed in a sunny spot. Water the Rangoon Creeper regularly, especially during hot weather. Fertilize the plant every 2 weeks during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Rangoon Creeper is a beautiful and versatile vine that can be used to add color and interest to any garden. Thanks for watching the video about Rangoon Creeper plant care. If you really find it to be helpful and enjoying, to hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos like this.